Hello, good people. It's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? How is everything? How is your family? Hope everything is going on well with you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious egg fried rice. This is simple and easy, very tasty. Guys, you're going to love it. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first ingredient I have here is of course eggs. Okay, so make sure your eggs are nicely washed and clean. Then you break in the eggs into a plate like so. So after breaking in all the eggs into the plate, the next thing you're going to do is to add some salt. Then you whisk. So set this aside, heat up your pan, then add some margarine or butter, leave it to melt. Then you pour in the egg. Gently mix the egg like so. So do this on low medium heat. Hope you guys are seeing how the egg looks like now. This is what we want. So this is nicely well and done. Transfer to a plate. Then heat up your pan again. Add some fresh grated ginger and garlic. Then you stir fry for about a minute to two. Add some chopped onions and saute for about 3 minutes. Add green beans, carrots. Then you stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Please do this on medium heat. Add some green peppers and red pepper. Then you stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add seasoning cube, salt, then stir fry for about 1 minute. So this is well done. Set this aside. In a separate dry pot, add some margarine, then some vegetable oil. Then you add your rice and stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. So make sure your rice is 70% cooked. Okay, and after that add the vegetables, as you guys can see. And stir everything in. Do this for an additional 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Guys, this recipe is so easy, healthy, and colorful, as you guys can see. The next thing you're going to do is to add the eggs. Give it a good stir. Add seasoning cube if need be, then salt. Then give it a stir. So guys, this is an easy and healthy recipe, okay? You would love to, once you try it out, you love to always make, guys. So add some soy sauce and give it a stir. Do this for about 2 minutes on medium heat. So guys, you're going to love this recipe. It was so delicious. Like guys, it was so delicious. Make sure you try it out though. Try it out. As you guys can see, delicious egg fried rice is already ready. Have you guys seen how colorful this rice is? Please make sure you try it out and let me know in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.